Hello, my name is Neza. I'm 11 years old, and today I will show you how to complete level 9 to 10 in Blockly games. First of all, so I think it's going too much. Let's do 60. So I think that's gonna be perfect. I don't know. And then else if another and block, then if the x, let's do, is more than 80, no, is more than 50, yeah, 50, and the y is less than, you know what, this actually doesn't even need an AND block. You just need the x axis one. So else if x is more than 50, it should go this specific angle. Let's do maybe that. Let's see where it will go. It goes down, eats the worm, goes back up, turns, then should go down. Tada! We did it, level 9.